Hi everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your JLG Digital account using the Apple app. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, just go to the Apple Store on your iPad or iPhone and search for JLG Digital. It is free, so when you find it, just tap download. Once it's finished downloading, go ahead and open the app. On this main login screen, you'll log into your school account. Your librarian or teacher should have given you the username and password for this account. Type in the information and then tap Sign in. A pop-up window will appear. If you do not have a personal account, you can tap OK to get into the bookshelf. If you do have a personal account, tap Sign in. Type in your personal username and password, and then tap Sign in again. The app will now remember all login information, so unless you sign out, you shouldn't have to enter this login information again. The first time you log in, you may need to sync the bookshelf if you are not seeing any books. To do this, swipe down on your screen and give it some time to load. If you're waiting longer than 60 seconds for the books to appear, go ahead and try swiping down again, and it should sync just fine. Now, you can begin scrolling through the books. The books you see on this page are part of a revolving bookshelf known as the stream. You will have access to one or multiple streams depending on your grade level. There will be between 30 to 60 books per stream level at any given time. Once a book enters the stream, you will have access to that book for either 60 or 90 days total. At the end of every month, a few books will leave the stream, and a few new books will replace them at the beginning of each month. There are both ebooks and audiobooks in the stream, and you can tell which is which by using the icons in the bottom right-hand corner of the cover art. A tablet icon indicates the title is an ebook, and a headphones icon indicates that it is an audiobook. As soon as you tap on a book, it automatically downloads to the app for offline reading, so next time you are not connected to the Wi-Fi, you'll still be able to access that book. Once the book downloads, you can tap on it again and it will open. Swipe or scroll through the pages to read the book. At the top of the screen, you'll see the tools available for the book. If you are logged into your personal account, you will have more tools available to you than when you are just logged into the common user. If you click on the Open Book icon at the top left of the screen, you can view the table of contents, as well as any notes, bookmarks, or highlights you've made in the book. When you're done reading, you can tap the back arrow to get back to the bookshelf. The bookshelf defaults to tile view, but if you want to see more information about the books than just the cover art, you can switch it to list view at the bottom left of the bookshelf. Then, you can tap on the drop-down arrows next to each book to view the book details, which include things like title, author, page count, as well as stream expiration date to see exactly when the book leaves the stream. I hope you enjoy reading your JLG Digital books, and thank you once again.